welcome back to my channel, and today I just wanted to tell you that I never ever touch slime, and these are just some slime tips for ingredients. And just to say, today I made two colours of fluffy slime and I absolutely love them. My ingredients that you need: this is a measuring jug, some scales, some shaving foam, not shaving cream or not shaving stuff, a cup, a measuring cup or just a normal cup. I use a normal cup. A spatula, but mine's a bit dirty. Some bicarbonate of soda, some washable PVA glue, and last but not least, some contact eye solution. Check in the ingredients that it says it has boric acid. So let's get on to the baking. So first you're going to pour some PVA glue into the measuring jug and put the measuring jug on the scales and check that you have 180 millimeters of glue in there. So I've put 180 millimeters into my measuring jug, and now I'm going to put a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda in here, a little teaspoon. I get my spatula and I start mixing. So I've mixed my glue and baking soda. I'm going to put the spatula in the bowl and then get my shaving cream. And I just get a cupful and I also pour it in like that. So I'm just going to pour it in. And I'm going to put a bit more. That's it. And then you're going to use your spatula to just chunk it all in. Let's mix these. And I'm making a green slime, and you could use this by food coloring. And I'm also getting some gloves to put on so my hands don't get all rainbow. Put some yellow in there with my little teaspoon and quickly going to open this glue. And also guys, be careful that you have tablecloth. That doesn't matter if it gets stained. So I'm just going to put my glue in, and then I'm going to place my spoon like that and start mixing. So guys, you also want to make sure that you get all the sides and corners in. And after your solution has mixed all well together, like mine has, and this is what mine turned out. And I'm going to pour some of the contact lens solution into the sides and start gathering up. So guys, I've done most of it and it started to gather up quite a lot. And now I'm going to start using one hand, and when I get used to to it. I'm going to start using 2 hands. Guys, if it feels really sticky, like mine, I'm going to put a bunch of solution on. And guys, this is what it turned out like. And if you had anything else on your hand, like my yellow stain, you could just mix it in. So this is what my slime turned out to be like, and I hope it's gone really great like mine. So thanks for watching, and please type in that subscribe button and make sure you comment down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!